How to delete your Instagram account. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account directly from the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. If this video helps you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps support the content. To begin, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu. In the settings, tap the first option called Account Center. Once you're there, scroll all the way down and select Manage Accounts. Next, tap Manage next to the Instagram account you want to delete. Then choose Deactivation or Deletion. Make sure Delete Account is selected. Then tap Continue. Instagram will show you what will be deleted. This also includes your Threads account, and it will show how much of your Instagram data will be removed. Tap Continue, then choose a reason for deleting your Instagram account. After that, tap Continue again. Instagram will then give you the option to export your information. You can download your Instagram data before deleting your account. You'll also have the option to deactivate your account instead of permanently deleting it. Deactivating your account will make it appear as if it has been deleted, but you can restore it anytime by simply logging back in. If you still want to permanently delete your account, tap Continue, enter your Instagram password, and follow the final confirmation steps. You may need to confirm one more time, and after that, your Instagram account will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up.